Alright guys, now we're gonna do the air filter on this 2019 Audi. They love torques, the Germans. Okay. Okay. There we go. Holy shit. What the? Wow. Okay, you guys saw that live. We have an oak tree in the air filter. Dude, you see this?
Oh,
how is the car even breathing?
Oh, it's gonna run faster now.
Oh my god. The turbo must be choked in this. I would almost say this is a bird's nest. I mean a rat nest, but it's not. Holy crap, dude. Look, you got some water bottle, Nestle. Wow. Okay. I don't even know what the hell to do with this. Okay. Yeah, we'll just have to clean the shop later. Wow. Holy crap. How did all these leaves get in here though, for real? I mean, that doesn't make any sense. How would that happen? And yes, this car lives by the ocean. That's why you see a lot of sand in here. Oh. Jesus Christ. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What the hell was that? What just fell?
My bowl.
Oh. That's crazy, man. It doesn't look that bad, it's just it was covered with leaves, man. That's crazy, dude. Alright guys, you see what I'm seeing, right? We got notches here that gotta line up with these notches here to lock in. Kind of like a locking ring on a fuel pump. Put it in there, twist it. We're caught there, we're caught there, and we're caught there. We're good to go. And right there. I think you might notice a difference on the way home. You might. Wow, that's crazy. That is really crazy right there. Where's my big screwdriver? Oh, don't make a mess. All right, where's my other thing going now? I'm misplacing stuff. Here we go. I gotta clean this again. I was talking with my buddy earlier about these modern engines and how they look. Look at this thing. Look how complex and complicated looking it is. All these wires and how ugly it actually is. That's why they put, every damn manufacturer these days has all of these engine covers now to make all these motors look pretty, because they're ugly. Not like the back in the day, you had your air filter housing there, you put chrome valve covers and stuff. Stuff looked pretty. These motors are hideous. You got wires and injectors and all kind of crap everywhere, so let's put a pretty cover on it to make it look nice. That's how they cover it. All right. That takes care of that. I think he's gonna feel a difference with that driving home. I still have some oil in here and it's annoying me. Thanks to the fan blowing. Alright. Okay. That takes care of that, guys. Air filter's done. Boom. All of these out. Hose, pull up, twist it off. There's the old one. We're good to go.